2026 travel changes that could impact your next trip. The travel landscape is shifting fast, and 2026 is shaping up to be a year full of new rules, digital systems, and tighter security standards. From updated visa policies to eco-flight requirements, these changes will directly affect how you plan, pack, and move across borders. Whether you travel for business or leisure, understanding these 9 major updates can save you money, time, and stress at the airport. Let's go over each one carefully, because missing even a single detail could disrupt your entire trip. 1. Digital travel authorization systems expanding worldwide. Several countries are rolling out electronic travel authorization programs similar to the US ESTA or the upcoming European ETIAS system. In 2026, more destinations, including Japan, Brazil, and several Caribbean nations, plan to introduce mandatory pre-travel authorizations for short-term visitors. These systems require travelers to submit personal and passport data online before departure. Approval usually takes minutes, but failing to apply could result in denied boarding at check-in. Tip: always verify whether your next destination requires an e-visa or digital authorization before buying your ticket. Keep the approval email or QR code accessible on your phone in case immigration requests it upon arrival. 2. Stricter biometric screening at airports. Airports worldwide are adopting advanced biometric technology for identification and boarding. By 2026, most major terminals in North America, Europe, and Asia will rely heavily on facial recognition for check-in, security, and boarding instead of physical passports. While this speeds up queues, it also means your travel data will be stored in shared databases. Tip: update your passport photo before traveling if your appearance has changed. Always use official airline or airport portals when uploading biometric data, and opt out if you're uncomfortable with facial recognition storage when the option exists. 3. Carry-on weight and size limits becoming uniform. Airlines are coordinating to standardize carry-on bag dimensions globally, ending years of confusion between carriers. Starting in late 2026, most international airlines will enforce a uniform 7 kilos, 15 lobatier weight limit, and 55x 35x 20 cm size limit for cabin bags. Overweight or oversized bags will have to be checked in, even on connecting flights. Tip: buy a compact luggage scale and check your bag before you leave home. If you carry expensive electronics or medical devices, pack them in a separate small personal item that can stay with you under the new rules. 4. Greener flights and carbon offset surcharges. Airlines are now required by international aviation groups to include a small carbon offset charge in ticket prices for medium and long-haul flights. Starting in 2026, this eco-fee will automatically appear as a line item during checkout. Some carriers are also shifting to green fare tiers, giving passengers the option to pay slightly more for flights using sustainable aviation fuel blends. Tip: compare airlines' environmental charges before booking. Some budget carriers include mandatory eco-fees in base fares, while full-service airlines may let you opt out or choose eco-credits toward upgrades or lounge access. 5. Travel insurance becoming a requirement. Many countries have begun mandating proof of travel insurance for entry, especially those recovering from healthcare crises or natural disasters. By 2026, over 50 nations will require travelers to show insurance covering emergency medical expenses and evacuation. Without it, you might be denied entry at the border or boarding at the gate. Tip: always carry printed and digital copies of your insurance certificate. Ensure your policy includes trip cancellation, lost baggage, and emergency medical coverage worth at least $50,000. Check your credit card's travel perks first. You may already have coverage. 6. Increased customs and duty-free restrictions. Duty-free allowances are tightening worldwide as governments crack down on undeclared goods and counterfeit imports. In 2026, more airports are using AI-powered scanners to detect undeclared luxury items, designer goods, and electronics. The limit for alcohol, tobacco, and perfumes is also being reduced in several regions, especially in the EU and Asia-Pacific. Tip: keep receipts for expensive electronics, jewelry, or designer clothing to prove personal ownership. Declare new purchases honestly. Undervaluing goods or skipping declaration can result in heavy fines or confiscation. It's not worth the risk. 7. Dynamic airfare pricing based on personal data. Airline pricing is getting smarter and more personal. By 2026, many carriers will use AI-driven systems that analyze your browsing history, travel frequency, and loyalty status to determine ticket prices in real time. This means that two passengers searching for the same flight could see completely different prices based on their data profiles. Tip: always use incognito or private browsing when searching for flights. Clear cookies between searches or use a VPN to avoid price tracking. Signing up for alerts from third-party comparison sites can help reveal actual lowest fares. 8. New rules for medications and health documents. Health-related travel rules are tightening again, particularly for travelers carrying prescription drugs, medical devices, or health supplements. In 2026, travelers to the US, UK, and EU may need digital verification for controlled substances, meaning your prescription must match international health database records. Some nations also require vaccination proof in app-based health wallets rather than paper forms. Tip: bring your medications in original packaging with printed prescriptions. Save PDF copies of vaccination certificates and upload them to trusted apps approved by your airline or destination government. Avoid unlabeled pill organizers. They can trigger searches. 9. Airport security zones and personal tech scanning. TSA-style security zones are evolving. Starting in 2026, major airports will introduce enhanced digital checkpoints where laptops, tablets, and even smartwatches must be screened separately. New AI systems will detect hidden digital storage or tampered devices. Power banks and external drives are also being restricted to specific capacities. Tip: keep all your electronics charged and easily accessible. Power off devices before screening and pack cables neatly in transparent pouches. Avoid carrying unfamiliar USB drives or external disks. You could be questioned about data contents. Bonus tip: prepare for the connected traveler era. The entire travel ecosystem is shifting towards seamless integration. Digital IDs, smart baggage tracking, and AI-powered boarding systems will soon become standard. Travelers who adapt early will enjoy smoother experiences, while those who resist new systems could face delays. Tip: before each trip, update your airline app, renew your digital ID profile, and double-check your travel history for errors. Small steps now can prevent bigger hassles later. Travel in 2026 isn't becoming harder. It's becoming smarter and more data-driven. But every convenience comes with added responsibility. The new rules prioritize security, sustainability, and technology integration, but travelers who fail to adapt may find themselves grounded or fined. To stay ahead, remember these essentials. Always verify entry rules before departure. Pack within limits, declare honestly, and keep documentation organized. Traveling smart in 2026 means understanding the systems before they understand you.